Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to make the perfect oxtail stew. I've showed you guys how to prep and marinate this before, but I'll be sure to put the link in the description box. You're going to need a pot to cook this in. You're also going to need some onion, tomato paste, green bell pepper, habanero pepper, and thyme. Okay, so to begin, we're gonna add water to our pot about midway through. Cover it and let that cook on medium-high heat. You don't want the water to evaporate just yet, so be sure to check frequently to add water as needed. Now, I went ahead and showed you guys, this is about 30 minutes through the cooking process. It takes time, guys. So I was just checking to make sure my water was good, and now this is about an hour in and it's starting to evaporate, so I'm going to go ahead and add more water and cover that back up and let that cook some more. Okay, so this is about an hour and a half now. As you can see, the meat has started to get really tender, so all I'm going to do is add more water and let it cook some more. Okay, so now that I'm at the home stretch, I'm gonna go ahead and get my vegetables ready, and I'm also gonna get my tomato paste dissolved in some water and get that ready to finish it off. At this point, 2 hours in, the oxes are ready to go. So I went ahead and removed the excess fat and oil from the meat. And now I'm going to add my tomato puree that I made. I'm going to add that in. I'm also going to add my onions and green pepper in. And at this point, it's pretty much it, guys. It's very simple, very easy. You just have to have time to cook this because it does take time. So go ahead and add those in. Add some more water. About 3 cups of water is fine. And then we're gonna add the habanero pepper and thyme. You're gonna cover it up, let it simmer on low heat for the last 30 minutes, and that's it. That's the way to do it, to get it right the very first time. Give it time. So I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Give me a thumbs up if you like it. I've showed you previously how to make the rice, so I hope you guys really try this out and enjoy it. Thanks again for watching, guys. Until next time, bye.